In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Chrome on Windows 8 in just a few simple steps, using the safest method possible. If you're still using an older Windows 8 computer and want a faster, more modern browser, Google Chrome is a great option. I'll walk you through the full process from opening your browser to downloading the official setup file and finishing the installation. If this guide helps, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let's get started. First, open any browser that's already available on your Windows 8 PC. You can use Internet Explorer, Firefox, or any other browser you already have installed. The important thing here is simply to get online so you can search for the official Chrome download page. Once your browser is open, click in the search bar and type Google Chrome Download. Press enter and look through the results carefully. You want to make sure you open the official Google Chrome website, not a random third-party download site. This matters because the official site is the safest place to get the latest version of Chrome without unwanted software or fake installers. When the official Google Chrome download page loads, you should see a Download Chrome button. Click that button to start the download process. Your browser may ask you where you want to save the file, so choose a location that is easy to find, like your Downloads folder or desktop. The file you download will be the Chrome setup file, and that's what you'll use to install the browser on your computer. After the download finishes, open the setup file. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Run to continue. This is the step that begins the installation process. Chrome is designed to install automatically, so you do not need to manually change a lot of settings. Just follow any prompts that appear on the screen and let the installer complete its work. Depending on your internet speed and computer performance, this may take a minute or two. Once the installation is finished, Chrome should open automatically, or you can find it in your start screen or desktop shortcuts. From there, you can sign in with your Google account if you want to sync bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history across devices. And that's it. Chrome is now installed on your Windows 8 computer. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.